Namaste, Om Namah Shivaya. This is the first video on the series of yogic Sukshma Vyayam, and today we shall demonstrate Uchcharan Sthal Vishuddhi Chakra Shuddhi. Let's see how to do it. Stand in Samasthiti, join your both the legs together, keep your both the arms straight, both the palm by the side of your thighs, spine erect, head neck in a single line, expand your chest and roll back your shoulder. Keep your eyes open and you have to keep gazing at the wall in front of you, and your entire focus should be on your Vishuddhi Chakra. Now you have to inhale and exhale rapidly and vigorously. As you inhale, your chest will be expanded. As you exhale, your chest will be contracted. Let's see. After performing this Sukshma Vyayama, as per your capacity, stop practicing, come back to the normal position. Uchcharan Sthal Vishuddhi Chakra Shuddhi has number of benefits. It prevents the diseases caused due to the excessive accumulation of Vata, Pitta and Kapha in the place from where the sound is produced or the place for Vishuddhi Chakra. It is very much beneficial for the people who are suffering from stammering. Due to the regular practice of Uchcharan Sthal Vishuddhi Chakra Shuddhi, our intellect is developed. With the regular practice, our voice becomes soft and sweet. That's why it is believed that this Uchcharan Sthal Vishuddhi Chakra Shuddhi is very much beneficial for the people who are practicing singing. So practice and get the most benefit out of it. If you want to know more about this Kriya, you can go through the book named Yogic Sukshma Vyayama, written by Swami Dhirendra Brahmachari ji. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.